Hello guys, I'm Emre Ata. Today I want to show you how to create account at Binance Global. Let's rock. Hello guys, I'm Emre Ata. I hope everything well for you. Today I want to show you how to create account on Binance Global with 20% discount code lifetime. This is exchangereferralcodes.com. I'm a global affiliate in Binance.com. This is our website. You should get all discount codes, kickback codes in our websites. All codes working, not fake. And I am not AI. I am real human. You see, real, not fake. Don't afraid. So we came this page. You should see işte Binance Global 20% discount code. İşte your codes here. If you want futures discount code, 10% maximum we can give this. I'm sorry. Code here. If you want to create account on Binance, you should click this create an account. We clicked. Yes. Register page opened. You see, you add your phone number here, or how can I say, or your email, or Google account, Apple account, Telegram, and click next. So next step. This is Binance.com main page. You see, firstly, you need to complete KYC approval, your identity. It's so easy. With your phone, you will finish this approval so easy in 30 seconds, 35 seconds. Just look at your phone, so easy. After, if you want to start trade on Binance, you have options like that. I want to show you. Firstly, in your country, maybe Binance don't have so great regulation. Now we need add a deposit money. Şimdi buy crypto, we are click. You see. Yes, on this page. Now I'm in Ukraine because of the system showing automatically hryvnia. So ne yapalım? What we can do? Mesela, for example, I select euro and I want to buy BNB or Trump official token. Let's show the BNB. I want to show you. Yes, you will add your Visa card, debit card here. So easy. For example, I want to buy 1000 euro BNB. Yes, I wrote 1000. With 1000 euro, I will get 1.800 BNB token. And it's so easy. I click buy. Finished. Yes, now we have BNB, for example. How we enter trade? Or if you don't want to buy with this easy way your coins, for example, you want to buy firstly digital USA dollars, the USDT or FDUSDT. I want to show you. Yes, USDT, you see, or USDC. You see, now it's for more popular now because after regulation, all Europe using USDC. What we can do, we every time respect the regulation. Şimdi now clicked. Evet, 2000, for example. Yes. Click buy. Now we have 2000 USDC. Okay, imagine. How we enter trade? We want buy coin. For example, which coin I want to show you. First, you should click market. Yes, now we are in market. And BNB. Yes, we came trade page for BNB, Binance official token. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers, my friends. And this middle, you see this is current price. First, now we want to buy BNB with USDC. We click here BNB search, and here USDC. I clicked. We have 2000 USDC, imagine. Now, if you want buy fast, came here, first red color, you see, after price. First, I click this and click here is the 2000 USDC. So easy page. And I click buy, for example. When I click buy, I will buy BNB tokens. So fast, if I click this, current price up first place. For example, if you want buy more cheapest, maybe you will think BNB token will crash and you will buy more cheapest. You can come here and you can select here, for example. Yeah, you don't need this. Right here, 598 USDC, for example. After click here and wrote 2000 USDC and click buy. And your once came here so fast. If BNB crashed, drop 598 USA dollar and USDC, your buying order automatically will come. So easy. If you want sell, maybe you have 5 BNB, for example. Click here green color first one, and for example 5 after came here and click sell. So easy. Yes. What is advantage of my referral codes? When you're buying and selling, you should pay some trade, or can I say trade commission. With these codes, you will pay more or less, or you will get bonus. So easy. But if you want enter Binance Advantage, for example, Alpha or Launchpad, I want to show you. If you want to earn money, so for example, Launchpool, you must complete your KYC approval identification. In this way, you can enter these pools, this advantage events, and you will earn money. Yes, if you want learn more information about crypto sector, if you are newest, you should enter exchangereferralcodes.com. This website have information. Thanks for your time. See you next video. Emre Ata.